Hey y'all, it's Nisha's here and welcome back to my channel, The Diary of a Hairstylist, where I show you guys my life behind the scenes. So today I decided to go to the gym because it's been a while. I've been super busy with clients and I was like, why not? Let me just go today and actually stretch and get my body moving and blood flowing. So before I get into the actual workout, I like to stretch my legs as much as possible because when I do leg workouts, sometimes I cramp up if I don't stretch well enough. So I love stretching before I start getting into the workout, and I love stretching because sometimes when I'm doing hair, you're standing in one position for a long time. So I want to get all those knots out those stiff knots that I have out before getting into the workout.
It's been one of those nights I ain't had in a minute. It's been a minute, had to pop a shoulder, recreate the feeling. But it's never the same as the first time we did it. But I let my guard down for you. Said I'll put my guard down for you. Said I'll be vulnerable, so you can break my heart if you want to. She said take your time, what's the rush? Take your time. I said baby, I'm a dog.
I decided to go to Planet Fitness and get an extra workout in because I felt like my neighborhood gym just didn't do enough. So I was like, let me go to the actual gym and get a real workout in with some machines and stuff. I really feel like it's important to work out as a hairstylist. Just in general, honestly, working out is really good for you if you want to stay fit. But as a hairstylist, because we spend so much time doing hair and we just have a on-the-go life, you just got to make sure you're working out to keep your energy up. And if you just want to look fit and want to be healthy, hit the gym, honey, hit the gym. If you want your body looking right and tight when you're going out with your girls, definitely make sure you're in there. So we're getting towards the end of the video. I'm glad I was able to show you guys some workout routines. I hope this helps anyone that is in the beginning phase of working out and does do some of these workouts I did in this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Definitely comment what workout routine I should add to my routine. I will see you guys on my next video.